Hello and welcome to the channel. I was just about ready to make some almond milk and I realized I don't think I've taken you along and showed you how I make almond milk. So if you'd like to see me make almond milk, stay tuned. Making almond milk is very simple. You need water, almonds, cinnamon, vanilla. I just so happen to have homemade vanilla extract and dates to sweeten it. I've already pre-measured out my water. I use just 1 quart-sized jar full of water. And now I'm going to put a cup of almonds in the water along with my vanilla, my cinnamon, and my dates and blend that up. So let's get started. I have my measuring cup here. This measuring cup is for solid. So you need to have a measuring cup that's going to have a solid measurer. I'm going to open up my almonds. I keep all my dry goods in some form of container. This so happens to be a bucket that I am reusing from an organization where I buy some dry goods. So I'm going to get 1 cup of almonds. As you can see, there's almonds in there. I need to buy some more. Make sure you don't have any not peels, but almond skins or anything that's you don't want in your almond milk. There we go. Any shells, anything like that. So cup of almonds. I'm going to put that in my blender. Just like that. Now, I learned how to cook by not measuring. So I'll have to look up a recipe for you and give you a recipe, but basically it's all the same ingredients and I do this to taste. I recommend you do it to taste, whatever you think tastes good to you, because what may taste good to me may not taste good to you. So this is cinnamon. Again, reusing a container because I get my cinnamon in bulk. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some cinnamon in here. That's about, I think, four little shakes. Now I'm very heavy-handed on my vanilla extract, but that's just me. Let's put a little bit in there and a little bit extra just because. I need to go and get some more vodka to top this off. If you're making vanilla extract, how you keep this going is you just top it off with vodka once you've used it. So I've run out because I've made other extracts, so I need to get some more. Now, oh, that smells amazing. I'm gonna put some dates. Now, I'm reusing this bag. I bought these dates that are in this bag from, I think, Costco's. They were already pitted. This bag I had already used. It had pits in it, but dates are dates. So these are pitted dates. They are not dried. And I'm going to, that looks like about 3 of them. And dates are very good for you. I'm gonna put 4 just because I want that fiber. All right, now let me get the top to my blender. And that's it. This is the almond milk right here, guys. You don't need anything else. This is how you make almond milk. I've already cleaned my blender. Everything's clean. That was a little bit of water you saw dripping off. So now I'm going to blend this up. I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to hear it, and then I'll be right back. Now that it is blended, what I like to do is I like to taste it. If I need to add something else, I add it. If it's just right for me, I go ahead and strain it and bottle it up. So let me just go ahead. This is a clean spoon that I just rinsed off. Oh man, looks good. Let me show y'all what that looked like. Can y'all see that? Don't that look like milk? Look at that. Ooh, that is beautiful. So let me, oh, it smells amazing. All right, let me taste it. No, I just had to do that. Look at that. All right, let me stop messing around. Okay, let's see. Oh, that is perfection. All right. Ooh, that's good. Oh, that's delicious. Oh my goodness. If you all have not made your own almond milk, my question to you is, why not? Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to strain this because it is going to have pulp. It is going to have little bits of almond. And I'm going to strain it back into the mason jar. So let me get my strainer and I'll be right back. So that I don't make an absolute complete mess of things, I put my mason jar in the sink with a strainer. I'm going to take the top off of my blender and I'm just going to try and pour it in the mason jar and not down the sink, because baby, that's a possibility. Now you're going to have to take your time because, as I mentioned, there's going to be some sediment in here, so it's going to move a little bit slow. You can use a spoon, a chopstick, some kind of tool to move it around so that it moves faster if you don't want to wait. And since I don't want to wait, I'm going to get a spoon. So just one second. I have a spoon that I just cleaned off, and I'm going to show you. I'm right-handed, so let me use my left hand. I'm going to show you all of that that's left over. Now you can use this in your smoothies, in your chia puddings, which is what I'm actually going to do. I'm going to make some chia pudding and I'm going to use this. This is nothing more than just ground up almonds and it's delicious. So I'm going to take this out and put this back into the blender like so. And try to keep this clear so that I can get my milk in here without too much of an issue. But you are going to have those almonds, because all you did was blend up almond. Now I am not here to talk bad about any manufacturer who sells almond milk in any store. But I can tell you to look at the amount of almonds in that almond milk and see how much is in there, if you can even tell. Make yourself your own almond milk and then compare the taste of this over what you get from the store-bought stuff. And I can pretty much guarantee, at least for me in my house, that once I started making my own almond milk, there was no going back for me. I did not want to purchase store-bought almond milk anymore. And it had nothing to do with the price. It had everything to do with the taste, the flavor, the smell. It is magnificent. Now, if you cannot eat almonds, this is not for you. This is for those who can stomach almonds, who enjoy the taste of almond milk. That is who this is for. I can eat almonds. I enjoy almonds. I'd rather have a nut milk over any other milk. I've even tried oat milk once from the store, and all I can say is I felt like, it was okay, but it just didn't give me the same feel as the almond milk, especially when I make it myself. So this is how you make almond milk. And this takes a few moments. I do apologize for how long it takes, but it takes as long as it takes. And if you're making anything from scratch at home, you know it does take a little time. This does not take a long time, but it does take a few moments. And so if you like this video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, share this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bells. That way you can be notified of each and every video that I release. I release videos twice a week. That'll be 2 videos and 2 shorts. So until the next time I take you all in the kitchen, I hope to see you either in the kitchen or the garden real soon. Bye for now. And don't forget, make yourself some almond milk. I think you'll like it.